Subscribe to Akilan Tech YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell icon for the latest tech updates.
Hey, what's up guys, this is Akilan from Akilan Tech. Today we are going to unbox this latest Amazon Fire TV stick, and I'm also going to give a full in-depth review of this Amazon Fire TV stick and what is the overview. Should you buy this Amazon Fire TV stick 3rd generation, that is the 2020 edition, or should you even choose an alternative, that is the MI Fire TV stick? So let's get started. Okay guys, you can see this is the Tata Sky Binge Pack, that is the Amazon Fire TV stick. Let's open this. The Tata Sky sent us this box. Let's open this and let's see what are the contents do we get inside the box. Take this out and you can see this is the main pack. This aside, and you can see first we get two batteries. You can see we are getting two AAA batteries. Just keep these batteries aside. And next we have here the Amazon branded power brick, which is an 5 watt 2 ampere, that is an 10 watt charger. You can see this Jason 10 watt power brick. Just keep it aside. And here we have the Amazon Fire TV stick. This is the main thing. You can see here we have the Tata Sky Binge written on it. As you know, this has been sent by the Tata Sky company. And let's keep this also aside and let's see what do we get else. You can see this is the main remote. You can see it. This is the main remote. We have the power button here. We have the voice assistant button here, the navigation buttons, back button, home button, and the menu button, backward button, play and pause button, and also we have the fast forward button, volume up and down buttons, and the mute button. And also here we have the Tata Sky Binge branding. And on the back we have to insert these batteries here. Let's insert these batteries. You can see I have inserted these two AAA batteries. And let's keep this remote aside. And next we're also getting this cable, USB cable, which is a micro USB, not the type C one, but just a micro USB cable. Just keep this cable also aside. And next we are also having this. Yeah, this is the adapter. If your cable wire should be extended, then you can use this extender. Just keep this also aside. And these are all the contents we get inside the box. Nothing else we have. Okay guys, you can see I have turned on my Amazon Fire TV stick. You can see we are getting the Amazon, and let's get into some more time and let's wait for some time. You can see we are getting the Fire TV stick logo, and let's give it some time to load. Okay guys, you can see this is our home screen, the Amazon Fire TV stick home screen. You can see we have the home button, we have the live button, and the movies menu, TV shows menu, apps menu, and finally the settings. Now let's see, in the settings we have the Wi-Fi network kind of thing. If you have to connect to your Wi-Fi network, either any network, you can connect even 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz band also. So let's get back, and there are some of the settings like the live TV remote settings and the Alexa settings, and the accessibility settings are also there. If you want to screen magnifier, then you can use also the screen magnifier. So let's get rid of the settings and let's see what do we get in this Amazon Fire TV stick. First of all, I have been using this Fire TV stick for a couple of days, so you can see some of the apps on the screen. I have downloaded some of the apps on the screen. In this Tata Sky partnership, we are getting the ZEE5, Sony Live, and the Tata Sky Binge, Disney Plus Hotstar, and some of the other services for free. Like say, but for the Netflix and for the Amazon Prime, you have to pay some of the money. We are not getting those for free. And Apple TV is also been included this year. In the previous year, that is the 2nd generation Apple TV, and even the YouTube was not included. But this time, in the 3rd generation, the Amazon have included these two services. You can see directly we have the YouTube app right here. And let's get into a TV remote overview. You can see guys, this is the main remote. Here we have the power button, here the Alexa button, and the navigation buttons, up, right, left, and the down button. And here we have the back button and the home button, the menu button. This is the backward button, this is the pause play button, and this is the fast forward button. And down we have the volume buttons, the volume up and volume down, and down we have the mute button. But in the previous generation, that is the Amazon Fire TV stick 2nd generation, the mute button and even the volume up and down button were not included. But in this 3rd generation, they have included this mute button and the volume up and down button, which is a great feature for me. So let's get into a TV, and you can see this is the home screen as I told you. Now let's open YouTube and let's play one of my own video. You can see guys, this is my YouTube channel. Let's play one of my own video, the latest one, that is a PUBG banned permanently. You can see this, and here let's pause for a moment. You can see when you press the down button we are getting the YouTube recommendations, and if you let's get app, and here I have my channel logo, and if you click on more you can even adjust the quality, like say 1080p, or it supports only 1080p, that is a full HD. For the 4K content you have to pay some extra money, and as of the YouTube, like we have the save to watch later button, like, dislike, the subscribe button, and stats button. It's also, if you want you can turn on that, but for now let's check the audio and video quality.
Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Akilan from Akilan Tech. Finally, PUBG had banned permanently in India. Actually, on 2nd September 2019, 107 apps including PUBG.
Okay, let's get back of my video. And this one also supports like the Alexa. If you want to buy, if you're looking to buy an Amazon Echo or Amazon Echo Dot, then my suggestion is just don't buy that. You can even use this as the Amazon Echo Dot. For example, let me show you. If you just press this Alexa button right here, and if you just give one of the voice command like, Alexa, what's the weather like?
Currently, in Secunderabad, Telangana, it's 27 degrees Celsius with clear skies and sun. Tonight, you can expect haze with a low of 17 degrees.
As you can see guys, the weather report is given by the Alexa right from here. So this is one of the great feature in this Amazon Fire TV Stick 3rd generation. That means in this we are getting the OTT platforms like the Netflix, Amazon, the Tata Sky Binge, and also we are getting the ZEE5, Sunnext, and other OTT applications. Including that, we are getting the weather report also. So you can directly ask the Alexa anything you want, and it will be a great feature to buy this Amazon Fire TV Stick 3rd generation. And also one of the important feature in this Amazon Fire TV Stick 3rd generation is that in this Amazon Fire TV Stick 3rd generation, we are also having the screen mirroring option, which is like in Chromecast. So if you are looking to buy a Chromecast, just skip that Chromecast, because you can use this Amazon Fire TV Stick is an alternative for the Chromecast application. And also one of the disadvantage I did not like in this Amazon Fire TV Stick is that if you are looking to search anything, then it will directly search into the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Like if you are telling to search the Accidental Prime Minister movie, then it will search in the Amazon Fire TV Stick. But if you want to play it in the YouTube, then you have to especially mention the YouTube, like play Akilan Tech videos from YouTube. In that case, it will play into the YouTube. But otherwise, if you just say like play Akilan Tech videos, then it will always search in the Amazon Prime Video. So this is one of the disadvantage I did not like, but this is not the major disadvantage. If you just mention the OTT application you want to use, then it will play for you. And guys, you can see the operating system in this is very lag free. You will not find any lags, any bugs in your day-to-day usage, and you can even go into the home, live, movies. And I also installed some of my games. I will show you that. I have just installed some of the apps, like you can see Sunnext. You're also getting the Sunnext free, and Eros Now, Hangama Play, ZEE5, and Jio Cinema, NDTV, Ghana, and other applications. Also you can install it from the app store that have been provided. I've just get up, and we're also having
Subscribe
the games
to
here.
Akilan Tech
The
YouTube
game section is
channel
right
and
here.
turn
If
on
you
the
install any
notification
game and if you
bell
want to play,
icon
you can
for the
directly play. Like
latest
for
tech
example, let us
updates.
play Hill Climb Racing for just an experiment to see how the game will work. Just click on play and let's wait for a second. I'm just muting the audio because my voice will not be clear. So if you just click on the OK button, you can just select what are the areas you want, and if you just click on start, you can see you have to just use these navigation buttons to play. Click on this button, it will go front, and if you just click on the back button, the brakes will be applied and it will move backward. So you can directly play some of the games using this Amazon Fire TV Stick also. For now, let us come back and let's see what other features do we get. If we just get back, let's click on home. You can see this is the home. You can, if you want to just see some of the basic stuff, you can directly watch from here. You can directly browse from here, and if you just click on the right button, you have some of the live content. If you want to just see some of the live content, then you can directly watch from here. And we also have the movies menu. As I told you, if you want to see any movies, you can directly watch from here. And if you want to watch any TV shows also, you can watch from here. And as I told you, if you want to install any apps and if you want to use that apps, then you can use those apps from here. And one of the important thing I liked in this Amazon Fire TV Stick is that we're also having the Firefox support. Like we're also having the Firefox. You can see I've installed Firefox also. That means you can even use the browser in this Fire Fire TV stick. And that's it for me today, guys. You can see this is the main Fire TV stick, and if you want to buy this Amazon Fire TV stick, I'll provide the link in the description below. You can just click on that link and buy the Amazon Fire TV stick 3rd generation 2020.
If you find this video informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And that's it for me today, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!